Hello everyone. As we all know, electricity is the main part in our world. Without electricity, nothing can be done. Here we are going to see a case study on India's longest DC transmission line. So, this is the main picture where I am showing that electricity is very important to have a light in our life. So the longest DC transmission line is from Talcher to Kolar HVDC link. So this is the map from Talcher to Kolar HVDC link. So what it is? So the main thing is power system. The power system is a network which consists of generation, distribution and transmission system. It uses any form of energy and converts it into electricity. That's what we call it as a power system. So the main components of power system are transformers, transmission lines, substations, distribution lines and distribution transformer are the 6 main components of the power system. So Talcher to Kolar HVDC link. This is the longest transmission line in the world and which is also known as East-South HVDC interconnector. This is of 1450 kilometers long transmission line which originates from Talcher Power Generation Center in Odisha in eastern India and terminates at Kolar near Bangalore in the southern Indian states of Karnataka. So it is owned and operated by Power Grid Corporation of India. The Talcher Kolar HVDC link was commissioned in February 2003. And the capacity of interstate power line was 2000 megawatts, which is later upgraded to 2500 megawatts in 2007. So Talcher Kolar HVDC link, it is estimated with an investment of $220 for long distance power supply from Talcher Super Thermal Power Station located in Angle district of Odisha. So this is a super thermal power station and it is known as NTPC Talcher Kaniha in the first mega coal fired power plant in India with an installed capacity of 3 gigawatts. And as I have already said, it is owned by India's state-owned National Thermal Power Corporation. The 5-unit power plant is supplied with coal from the Lingraj and Kaniha coal blocks of Mahanadi coal fields, while water supply is received from Samal Barrage Receiver in the Barni River. So this is the schematic of Talcher Kolar's thing. The Talcher is the generating station and it is transmitted to Kolar where we can see 400 kilowatt system and it is supplied to Hosur, Salem, Udmalpet and Madras. And this is of 1450 kilometers long. And control and protection systems, everything is digitalized control and protection system. Apart from optimum control of the electricity transmission, the protection system is designed to selectively disconnect, isolate faulty equipment to prevent unnecessary system shutdowns and prevent damages to the components of HVDC transmission system. So any transmission system or any electrical component before we invent or before we use, the control and protection system plays a very important role when we work in electricity. So we have to make our necessary control and protection activities. So Siemens Pulse Echo Monitoring System has been implemented to detect faults on 35 kilometers long ground electrode lines at both the terminal stations. This is the main control and protection system that has been used in Talcher Kolar HVDC link. So who are all the contractors involved? So when we are going to a big project, there must be contractors and there must be subsidiary amounts that will be sanctioned for that amount for that project. So Siemens Power Transmission and Distribution, a subsidiary of Siemens, was awarded the engineering, procurement and construction contract for both the substations of Talcher Kolar HVDC link in the year of 2000. So this is the main contractors involved. So as a recap, this video shows you the longest DC transmission line in India, which is Talcher Kolar. and it is of 1450 kilometers long, and the estimated amount was the $220, and the subsidiary amount and the contractors involved was from Siemens. They give the construction, engineering and procurement contract for both the substations of Talcher to Kolar link in the year of 2000. Thank you.